Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Tripti Gupta, your lifestyle nutrition expert and founder iPink The Color of Health, and you're watching me on Femina India. Rule number 1, always maintain a structure. There has to be a system in your schedule. Whatever time you wake up and whatever time you sleep, you must plan your number of meals. So if you're choosing 3 meals or 4 meals during your waking hours, try to stick to the plan. Try to stick to the portions. That will really help you maintain your weight as well as stay healthy and fit without causing any additional problems. Among all these meals, try to create a balance. Balance is again very important. That means every food group should be incorporated in your entire day. It could be your carbs, your proteins, your fats, your fruits, your nuts, your seeds, also your hydration. So that balance is very important. So a structure followed by balance. Another very important thing that you need to include is seasonal foods. So choose a lot of seasonal foods. These come with a lot of goodness. They'll cool you down during the summer. They will boost your immunity. Their antioxidant power is at the highest at this time. So try to include a lot of seasonal foods for yourself. Another very important thing that we need to keep in mind, which is point number 4, is gut health. Gut health is extremely essential. If your stomach is not okay, if your digestion and absorption is not okay, no matter how healthy your foods are, the absorption is not going to take place. If you're constantly suffering from acidity, gas, indigestion, constipation, all these issues are going to affect your absorption after a period of time, and so you will just be in a vicious cycle where you will realize that nothing really is working. If you feel that your hair is falling, if you're losing hair constantly, there are chances that your iron levels are very, very low. So try to include naturally iron-rich foods, which are mostly your red, pink and black foods, like your pomegranate, tomatoes, beetroot, also your dates, raisins. There is so much. So add a lot of color in your diet, and that will ensure that your iron is not getting compromised. And an easy way to moisturize your skin is hydration, which is again a very, very important point. So include a lot of water in your diet, a lot of fluids in your diet. You can include nimbu pani, coconut water, some fresh juices. You can also create nice yummy infused waters like a cucumber orange is a great combination. Pomegranate and mint is an amazing combination. Again, they're so healthy, so nourishing. It gives you that little natural sweetness, so you don't even miss that sugar that you want to really binge on at the end of the day. A lot of people have these sugar cravings also because of an imbalance. So you haven't taken all your foods, you haven't eaten your fruits, you haven't taken your nuts, you're not drinking enough water, and that's going to definitely lead to your cravings. The minute you are doing it all right, you're definitely not going to have any of those issues, and it's going to be such a smooth journey for you guys. Sleep is again a very important factor. So I really want you guys to pay attention to what is going wrong with your sleep. A lot of people try to eat very early. If you feel that if you're eating before sunset and you're sleeping around 1 a.m. in the night, well, it's not going to work like that, because obviously you're going to be hungry and then you're going to cheat on your diet, or you're going to just go and binge on something unhealthy. So be wise, eat sensibly in a way that you know that you're eating a healthy meal and you're getting good sleep. And if you are not a workout buff, so there are a lot of people who don't really like to work out a lot, especially at home. You feel that I'm just such a gym person, or I need to do like a group class and I don't want to do this at home, but there has to be some activity. So even if you are doing like a 10 to 15 minute walk after your meals, just indoors at home, that's perfectly fine. It keeps your metabolism naturally high, and it'll just keep you more active. It will also not let you get very sluggish. It will aid the digestion, absorption better. Your gut health will become much, much better. I hope these points are helpful to all of you and you guys benefit from all these small points that we just discussed. They're very easy to follow, very simple steps, but try to incorporate them and see the magic.